shine through when the sky is gray.
Seriously, I didn't understand what the man was teaching in class today. That's why you saw me. I sat from the beginning of the class till the end. I didn't understand. Seriously, do you understand?
I understood perfectly well. So maybe you just come around my house so I can put you through, okay?
Okay.
I like to keep you from breaking my heart. Ooh. To keep you from breaking my heart. Ooh. Even though I said don't touch me, it all comes down to this. I miss your morning kiss. I won't lie, I'm feeling it. You don't know.
Valerie. Valerie, I've been calling you. I've been sending you messages. You're not replying me. What's happening?
Are you asking me what is happening?
See, Valerie, you weren't like this before. Why are you changing all of a sudden?
Have I not told you that I don't want you in my life anymore?
Come on, Valerie, what are you talking about? So, Sonia, why can't you just talk to your friend?
Will you shut up your dirty mouth and let me talk to you? Wait, Kelvin. See, I have moved on weeks ago. Why can't you just let me be?
Listen, you just have to hear me out, okay? Hear me out. Everything will be fine. I'm an artist. See, I have 6 tracks. See, I have featured in so many cinema movies. See, I'm gonna blow very soon. See.
You will blow. You will blow. That is what I've been hearing for years now. Is it your blow that I will eat? Is it your blow that I will use to buy my clothes?
It's the color.
You will blow.
See, when I blow, I'll buy a Range Rover, I'll buy a 𝑎𝑠 I'll take it outside there. What's wrong with you?
You can really insult somebody. Look at this gown I'm wearing, Kelvin. Do you know how much I bought this gown? Do you know how much my hair costs, Kelvin? Do you know how much I use in making my nails?
See.
No, shut up. Do you know how much I bought these knuckle rings I am wearing? Look at how beautiful my skin is. Do you know, even panties, Kelvin cannot buy for me. Ordinary panties. You can't believe it, Sonia. He can't buy for me. And you call yourself an artist, a star boy.
See, just...
Don't make me angry. You are a very stupid boy. This boy is wicked.
See, Valerie, are you calling me a boy?
Yes, you are a boy. If you are not a boy, if this boy is not a boy, you will not take me to the market and price a wristwatch of 5,000 naira to buy it 400.
Oh.
That is what he's wearing.
Yeah.
You are so stupid. Your sight alone stinks. Do you understand me? It's yours. It's like because I'm wasting my time here talking to you, right?
What are we still doing here?
See.
Are you standing to look
calm down.
to listen to this?
Valerie,
What are you doing here? Let's go, I beg.
Calm down.
You gotta get up. You gotta get up and make a move. Cause the world will never see you until you do.
Valerie!
If I hear my name, if I hear you call my name,
No, they don't really care what you're going through. So you gotta show them, baby.
Valerie, you can't just walk away like that.
You gotta give them what you got. No, don't let them see what you're not. Cause you are strong. You are wise. You are worth beyond 1,000 reasons why. And you can't be perfect, baby. Cause nobody's perfect, darling.
Valerie,
no,
you don't
there's
have to do this.
nobody in the world
I put
like
this thing for me. He calling me a boy? He's calling me a boy. Yeah.
What do you do when you can't let go? What do you say when you just don't know how you feel? And you know nobody knows how you feel. Cause everybody's got their own damn problem. So everybody's trying to find their way. And day by day is a struggle in this. When you say you love me, no, I love you more.
Oh, Well, I'm fine. How are you? You called me?
Yeah, what are you doing?
No problem, I'm fine.
Okay. About the stuff I told you last 2 weeks, I guess.
The iPhone?
Yes, the iPhone.
Yes, I've not bought it, but I'm gonna get it for you just in a couple of days. Yes. It's just that there is this money I'm expecting in a few days. As soon as it lands, I'll get it for you.
There is this money you're expecting, and as soon as it lands, you get it from me, right? Every day, same stories. Is it that you're expecting the heavens to fall, or you're expecting a chicken to urinate?
Babe, you're simply misunderstanding me. You see, I'm full of prospects. Listen, you know. Babe, you know, I'm a film producer. I am also a director. You see, I am working on this project, and there is so much money that is coming up. I'm going to buy you the latest iPhone. In fact, iPhone 8 Plus.
Save it! Maxwell, save it! I said save it!
You're shouting.
Every day.
Babe, you're shouting.
Excuse me, this is how I feel at the moment. You keep expecting things, talking rubbish. For how many years, Maxwell? We've been together. For how many good years? You can't even boast of what Valerie's boyfriend boasts of.
Yes.
Is it cars?
My friend Kelvin.
Is it phones?
Is it my friend Kelvin?
What the hell is your friend, Kevin?
He's really trying for your friend Valerie.
Your friend Kelvin. What does he have? In fact, I'm doing right now to you what Valerie, my own good friend, did to her boyfriend Kevin, okay? Yes. She no longer dates Kelvin, okay? She broke up with him, yes.
No, see, babe. Let me tell you something. I'm giving you an assurance. I'm not Davido anyways, but I'm giving you an assurance. I am going to make it up to you.
Maxwell, save it. I said save it. Be whiskey, Maxwell. We can't go on any longer. So get that into your head.
Babe. You don't have to embarrass me like this anymore. Please. Just try and understand.
I'm tired.
You're not breaking up with me, are you?
I am! I told you earlier. I'm doing what Valerie did to Kelvin. Watch me while I do, okay?
You are strong.
No! Sonia!
You are wise.
Oh my god!
You are words
Sonia!
beyond 1,000 reasons why. And you can be perfect, baby. Cause nobody's perfect, darling. But no, there's nobody
This
in the
is
world.
not happening. I mean, Sonia can call me out here just to humiliate me and work out of me. Sonia!
What do you do
Sonia!
when you can't let go?
You can just believe what Valerie did to me today. Let's see what that girl did to me today. That girl embarrassed me. Valerie said so many humiliating words to me.
These girls planned this like that. They planned the whole map. I mean, you cannot tell me that Valerie will break up with you and 5 minutes or 10 minutes time, Sonia is breaking up with me. How can we classify that? How can we explain that?
Honestly, I was mad when you told me that.
Can you imagine?
I understand what. Just understand. Valerie calling me a small boy.
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
Calling me a small boy.
There is nothing man will not see in the hands of girls.
Okay, I think it's because of all these Yahoo guys.
That's the problem. That's the point.
And you put them into trouble.
They don't know. Girls just jump around guys just anyhow. They don't know the kind of guys they are following.
See, look at me now. I have 6 tracks. I mean, I've featured in so many movies. Even some of the movies you produce them, you know what I'm talking about. See, you need to see what Valerie did to me today.
You need to see what Sonia did to me. She almost slapped me.
See, Valerie was not even only shouting. Valerie was mad at me. Valerie was calling me a small boy, shouting, dragging my clothes, telling me that I bought my jewelry from Aboki people, saying I wear fake things, my wristwatch, this one is 150, this thing is 500. Was embarrassing me, telling her friend Sonia that I took her to one Aboki shop, pricing a watch of 5,000 naira, 400 naira, which I've never done.
Listen. I just
think you're not just laughing at me.
I don't really know if I laughed, but the truth is, this is more than just an embarrassment. Just don't worry. There is this man, my boss, one of my bosses. I want us to meet. He's going to tell us, at least encourage us.
Cause the world will never see you till you do.
See, anybody, we don't really need any advice
really
or they need advice or any counseling. See, anybody that's going to talk to us to tell us how to make this fucking damn money.
That's what I'm talking about. He's going to tell us how we can make this money. That's the point. We need to do something pretty fast about this. There is no need for us to work ourselves out.
Don't let them see what you're not.
You're right. Make it up to yourself.
Yes, sure.
You are wise. You are worth